What do you have there? What's his name? Lion? Yeah. And you knocked Mommy over. Okay, sit up. What about this guy? Who's this? Who's that? Tiger. What's his name? Tiger. Good girl. Here, you want to take your friends with you? Want to take them back out to play? Can we take them back to the living room? No? You want to sit here by the washing machine? Funny girl. You're a funny girl.